If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome back to another episode of Chef Last Kitchen. And today we're going to be making a sweet and sour recipe with mushroom called the mushroom Chatpata Curry. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 500 grams of mushroom which are cut into small pieces. Then roughly chopped 2 onion, 2 tomatoes, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 2-inch long ginger, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, about 2.5 tablespoons of punch photon, which is a mixture of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds and nigella. Then 1.5 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder, 3 to 4 dried red chilies which are soaked in some water, then about 2 sprigs of curry leaves and some salt to taste. Now take a pan and in that add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, which is a must for this recipe. Then first add all the punch photon along with the curry leaves, and after about half a minute or so add the roughly chopped garlic and ginger and saute these for a couple of minutes till the raw flavor is gone. Then to the pan add all the roughly chopped onion along with the tomatoes and again saute for a couple of minutes. Then after that add the soaked dried red chilies along with the garam masala powder, turmeric powder, chaat masala and some salt to taste. Now mix it up really well. Then after that add about 1/4 of the mushroom, only 1/4. What this will do, it will give a creamy texture once we blend it. So saute these for about 3-4 minutes, then switch off the flame, let it cool down, then put this in a blender and blend to make a smooth paste. Then in the same pan add about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and add rest of the mushroom. Also add some salt. Now saute these for at least 5 to 6 minutes until they are well cooked. Then to that add the blended paste along with half a cup of water. Then let it cook for about 4-5 minutes. Then after that add the sugar and also you can garnish it with some coriander leaves. And it's done. And that's it, the mushroom Chatpata Curry. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.